Hi, my name is Gautam and I'm a Vedic astrologer from Canada. Welcome to Astro Science. So this channel of Astro Science is my effort to share the knowledge and experience gained in the field of astrology, Vastu-Shastra and palmistry from so many years. What you will receive over here is one daily video about all these interesting subjects to enhance your knowledge and set you on the path of Jyotisha. You're right on the exact platform. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you can get daily videos about all these interesting subjects. And if you've already subscribed, just comment below, introduce yourself. I really look forward to see you. Let's start the journey of learning and sharing this wonderful subject and the light of divine science. And I really look forward to see you guys. Take care.